Today our recipe is fish fry. Let us see the ingredients. Today I will show you the very simple way of preparation. I took 5 pieces of salmon and 4 teaspoons of oil and 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, 1.5 teaspoon of chili powder and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder and cumin powder and some salt and pinch of food coloring. This is optional one. Let us see first how to marinate our fish pieces. Take the tray. First I am going to add chili powder, and pepper powder and cumin powder, and one more ingredient I forgot it, that is turmeric powder. Adds 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and pinch of food coloring. This is optional. If you want you can add, otherwise it's not necessary. It's enough. And some salt. Now I'm going to add lemon juice. Yes. Mix it everything together. If you want you can add some water also. This is optional. Now I'm going to add just 2 teaspoons of water. Our fish fry masala is ready. Now I'm going to apply this masala into the fish pieces. Apply every sides. Do it like this. This is a very simple way of preparation. Do it like this. Our marinated fish is ready. Now I'm going to keep this fish inside the refrigerator for 15 minutes. After that we will fry. Just heat 4 teaspoons of oil in the pan. Now I'm going to fry every pieces. Our marinated pieces is ready. When they get a slightly brown color, then turn it over. This is a very simple marination. Today I show you. Yes. Here our yummy mouth-watering recipe, that is fish fry, is ready to eat now. Now I'm going to garnishing this fish fry with lemon and some ring onions like this. It's a very simple and tasty preparation. Try it yourself.